Hey, welcome back to Custom Auto Connection. So today we got something a little easy. We got a Honda Civic we're working on. We got her up in the air on jack stands. I'm gonna go ahead and flip the camera to show you guys what we're actually gonna be doing today. Something a little simple, nothing too crazy. I'm gonna go ahead and flip that right now. Alright, so we're underneath the car. As you guys can tell, this is the exhaust right here. It is hanging pretty low than what it should be. And right about there in the middle, there's a big crack. I'm gonna try to zoom in a little bit so you guys can see what I'm talking about. All right, let's see right there. There's a big crack we're gonna go ahead and try to weld up. And we're also gonna get this hanger right back where it is needed. I believe the hanger ripped off and probably caused that exhaust leak, but we'll go ahead and weld it up and we'll set up that hanger wherever it's most comfortable. As you guys can tell, this pipe, there's some rusted out spots on this pipe from the engine forward, but going back you could tell this pipe is actually in pretty good shape. So I'm gonna go ahead and we're just gonna weld up that gap. Like I was saying, we're just gonna go ahead and weld up that gap. I think this car is getting pretty close to where emission inspections are due. We do emissions out here where I'm from, and you know, our air quality is pretty bad, so it's a pretty strict, probably as strict as you can get air emissions to be. So we want to go ahead and get that closed up, welded off. We could get another exhaust pipe if it needed, but I think I could get it to where we can get it to pass emissions and get this thing on the road. I'm gonna go ahead and get set up. I'll go ahead and prop you guys up, and we'll go from there. Alright, so I went ahead and started the car up. Pretty much this is that right there is a finished product right there. Pretty straight, pretty even. Went ahead and welded the hook. I think the hook is where it actually had the exhaust leak that broke and caused the exhaust leak. Pretty much sounds like a Honda should. I'm gonna get it off the jack stands here. Before, you know, not much was coming out the exhaust. So everything worked out. You know, I'm gonna go through it with soap and water, see if anything bubbles up, see if we got any exhaust leaks. As you guys can tell, it got pretty dark. So I'm gonna go ahead and leave you guys with that one, finish this one up, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you guys for watching.